Well, how's it going, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be looking at pot filler stout from Howe Sound's carton of coals. Yeah, comes with a free toque, so purchase it while it's available, y'all. Yeah, really good beer so far. Today's beer is an Imperial Stout at 9% alcohol by volume, 75 IBUs, and 21.8 Plato. Let's see here. Brewed with 6 varieties of roasted malt, wheat, 5 varieties of hops, yeast, and Coast Range water. It's coming out of Squamish, BC. So yeah, let's get this one poured. The appearance on Pothole filler. Yeah, basically pitch black, a gleam of like a super dark brown, a nice dark brown head to it, nice head retention. Looks quite nice. The aroma. Wow. Tons of roasted malt, lots of dark fruit, a nice brown sugar sweetness to this. Smells like a really nice stout. Cheers. Yeah, nice and almost syrupy. Really nice and thick. Definitely lets you know it's a huge, monstrous Imperial Stout. The flavors, lots of hoppiness. Nice earthy, yet slightly citrusy hop on it. Lots of bitterness, but not as much as it could be considered a black IPA, like bordering there, you know. The malts are definitely the star of the show. Really nice. Yeah, huge, drying, coffee kind of taste to it. Hard to drink, really. Not that that's a bad thing. It makes it a sipper. Definitely lets you know it's a monstrous stout, so can't fault it for that. No alcohol taste or burn, that's a good thing. Lots of chocolate, some brown sugar, nice dark fruits like a black cherry, oh, what is that? I think like a prune kind of thing going on. I used to eat this prune yogurt from Activia. Real nice stuff. This is kind of reminding me of it. Nice and creamy. Yeah. Dark, rich. Everything you want in a stout, really. But yeah, again, that's Pothole Filler Stout from Howe Sound. Excuse me. Yeah, awesome stout. Easily worth a 9 and a quarter out of 10, something like that. Beautiful stuff. Let me know what you think of this beer. I've got a phone call coming, so I'm gonna say cheers. Have a gooder.